Prince William is making bold moves within the royal family, and it's sending shockwaves through royal watchers everywhere. Camilla, once at the forefront of royal events, appears to be stepping back, and a new face is rising to prominence. Could it be that Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh, is finally getting the spotlight she's long deserved? Behind the palace walls, power dynamics are shifting, and it seems Prince William is reshaping the monarchy's future. But is this a calculated decision or a reflection of deeper tensions within the royal family? Let's dive in to uncover the truth behind this royal shakeup. Camilla's role, a gradual retreat? For years, Queen Camilla has been a steadfast presence alongside King Charles III. Following their ascension to the throne, Camilla was expected to play a central role in the monarchy. But recent appearances suggest her position might be shifting, not in terms of her title, but in her prominence within the royal narrative. At high-profile events like Trooping the Colour or Remembrance Sunday, Camilla's role has seemed less central than anticipated. Insiders speculate that her health, personal preferences, or even public opinion could be factors. Camilla has faced her fair share of criticism over the years, and while she's worked to rehabilitate her image, some believe William's priorities lie elsewhere, with modernizing the monarchy and highlighting more relatable figures. The rise of Duchess Sophie enter. Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh. Known for her quiet elegance and tireless dedication to royal duties, Sophie has often flown under the radar. But that's starting to change. Over the past year, Sophie's visibility has surged. From her poignant speeches on causes like preventable blindness to her hands-on charity work, Sophie embodies a modern royal, approachable yet steadfast in her commitment to service. Sophie's relatability makes her a favorite among many royal fans. She's been photographed chatting warmly with members of the public and is frequently praised for her down-to-earth nature. In contrast to Camilla, whose royal journey began with controversy, Sophie's rise has been organic and largely unblemished. Could this be why Prince William sees her as a key ally in reshaping the royal family's image, William's vision for the future? It's no secret that Prince William is a man with a vision. As the future king, he's been vocal about modernizing the monarchy and making it more relevant to today's society. This involves not just slimming down the royal family, but also ensuring that the remaining senior royals resonate with the public. William's decisions, such as prioritizing mental health initiatives and environmental causes, reflect a clear shift towards substance over spectacle. He's keenly aware of the importance of public perception, especially after years of watching his mother, Princess Diana, navigate both adoration and scrutiny. By elevating Sophie, William may be signaling a desire to spotlight royals who represent stability and dedication without the baggage of past scandals. Camilla's backseat, a strategic move? Some experts argue that Camilla's reduced prominence isn't a demotion, but a strategic move. As King Charles's partner, Camilla's primary role is to support him. Shifting some responsibilities to others, like Sophie, could be a way to distribute the workload more evenly and allow younger royals to step into the spotlight. It's worth noting that Camilla has always expressed a preference for a more private life. Even before becoming queen, she was often described as reluctant to take center stage. Perhaps this backseat role is less about William's decisions and more about Camilla's comfort zone. Sophie and Kate, a dynamic duo, one of the most intriguing aspects of Sophie's rise is her growing partnership with Catherine, Princess of Wales. The two have been seen working closely together on several occasions, most notably during charitable events and royal tours. Their shared focus on family-oriented causes and community engagement has drawn comparisons to the camaraderie once seen between Princess Diana and Sarah Ferguson. Sophie and Kate's collaboration offers a refreshing dynamic. Two strong, capable women supporting one another and representing the monarchy's future. This pairing could be precisely what William envisions: a royal family that feels approachable, relatable, and in touch with modern values. Public opinion: Camilla versus Sophie. Public sentiment plays a significant role in the monarchy's evolution. While Camilla's approval ratings have improved over the years, they're still mixed. Sophie, on the other hand, enjoys widespread admiration. Her ability to connect with people from all walks of life has endeared her to many. William's decision to elevate Sophie may be partly rooted in this public favor. By aligning the royal family's image with figures like Sophie, William could be strategically positioning the monarchy to appeal to a broader audience. In an age where authenticity matters more than ever, Sophie's grounded persona is a valuable asset. The bigger picture. This shift isn't just about individuals. It's about the monarchy's long-term survival. William understands that the royal family must adapt to remain relevant. The days of unquestioned reverence are long gone, replaced by a more discerning public that expects transparency, relatability, and purpose. By promoting Sophie and perhaps nudging Camilla into a less prominent role, William is signaling a new era. It's a delicate balancing act, honoring tradition while embracing change. But if anyone can navigate this transition, it's William, a leader who spent his entire life preparing for this role. Historical precedents for change. This wouldn't be the first time a royal family has restructured its image to stay relevant. History is filled with examples of monarchies adapting to the times. Queen Elizabeth II herself faced significant challenges in modernizing the monarchy during her reign, from televised coronations to opening Buckingham Palace to the public. Each of these steps was a calculated effort to ensure the monarchy remained relatable. Similarly, Prince Philip's efforts to establish the Duke of Edinburgh's award demonstrated how individual royals could spearhead initiatives that resonated with younger generations. Sophie's recent rise can be viewed as part of this tradition, a royal stepping up to embody the values of a new era. The role of the media's portrayal of Camilla, Sophie, and the rest of the royal family, cannot be ignored. Tabloids have long been fixated on royal drama, often exaggerating or distorting the truth. However, Sophie's relatively scandal-free record has made her an appealing subject for positive coverage. Her ability to maintain a low profile while excelling in her duties has shielded her from much of the media's scrutiny. Camilla, on the other hand, has faced a much more tumultuous relationship with the press. From the early days of her relationship with Charles to her eventual acceptance as queen consort, Camilla's story has been shaped by media narratives. William's apparent decision to elevate Sophie could also be an effort to manage these narratives, presenting a fresh and untarnished face to the public. Looking ahead. What's next? The future of the royal family under William's influence is bound to be fascinating. Will Sophie's increased prominence lead to new initiatives and greater public engagement? How will Camilla's role evolve as she continues to support King Charles? And most importantly, how will these changes impact the monarchy's relationship with the public? The answers to these questions will unfold in the coming years. But one thing is clear. The royal family is entering a new chapter, one shaped by William's vision and the contributions of figures like Sophie. Whether this shift will strengthen the monarchy's position or spark further debate remains to be seen. The question remains, is this the beginning of a seismic shift within the royal family or just a temporary reconfiguration of roles? Will Camilla's retreat become more pronounced, and will Sophie's star continue to rise? As the monarchy evolves under William's influence, one thing is certain: the royal family we see today might look very different in the years to come. Stay tuned as we uncover more twists and turns in this unfolding royal saga.